Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about chapters 1's project, and this project is going to be due around the end of chapter 1, but let's get started to get you figuring out what are the pieces you need to create this project. And so in this video we're just introducing to you what this project is going to entail, and what it is going to be about is constructing a piecewise function. It's going to consist that you create and choose what your two functions will be with a few criteria. So one of the equations that you have to create is a quadratic equation. So you need to construct a parabola essentially. And then the other equation that you're going to fill in the blank is going to be a linear equation. And so in this case, these two will need to connect or join together because in this case, a piecewise function needs to be continuous. It means that they need to connect. The quadratic needs to connect with the linear equation. Now, what we've done is that I have given you the bounds for your piecewise function. So everyone is going to be using these bounds. So your piecewise function, the original function needs to be between -2 to +5. But you can choose whatever that equation needs to be. So how you can create your project is one of these options you can choose from, and it is to create either a Google Doc. That might be easiest for you, so you can just insert images as you go along, or a Google slide if you just prefer them to be on slides. It might make it a little bit neater to separate your information. Or if you like to do this by hand, maybe a poster board would be better. Or option 4 is to create a booklet. That means that you would do each part on a sheet of paper. Like you would have as many sheets of paper as you need to construct your project, and then you would staple it together like you were creating your own book or booklet in this case. So those are the 4 options you can choose from. Basically, the first 2 are the easiest because they are virtual. You can create it using, Google products. Whereas the other 2 are more hands-on. You would create it by hand. And so in this case, you can construct your piecewise function either doing it by hand, or you can use a online graphing calculator like Desmos, which I will show you through the videos how you can do that. But essentially, what you're going to be doing is creating that piecewise function. You're going to make a table, graph the original piecewise function, and then state the domain. So that's going to be part A. Then afterwards, you're going to basically take your original piecewise function and do a lot of different transformation that we've learned in this chapter. All right, that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do each part piece by piece.